Air travel has long been considered the safest mode of transportation, but in recent years we've seen a troubling trend, an increase in air accidents, emergency landings, and near misses. Why is this happening? Are we flying into a crisis? From mid-air explosions to close calls on runways, today we're breaking down the key reasons behind this surge, backed by real-world cases. Let's dive in. One major factor is pilot fatigue. With airlines struggling with staff shortages, pilots are flying longer hours, increasing the risk of human error. In 2023, a Southwest flight nearly landed dangerously short of the runway due to a miscalculation, later linked to pilot exhaustion. As airlines push their fleets to the limit, mechanical issues are becoming more frequent. Aging planes and rushed inspections increase the chances of something going wrong mid-air. In January 2024, passengers on Alaska Airlines Flight 1282 experienced sheer terror when a door panel detached mid-flight. Investigations revealed missed maintenance issues. Severe weather events are becoming more frequent due to climate change, and pilots are struggling to navigate unpredictable conditions. In December 2022, a Hawaiian Airlines flight hit extreme turbulence, injuring over 30 people. Experts say turbulence-related injuries have nearly doubled in the past decade. More planes in the sky mean more room for error. Air traffic controllers are handling record-high flight volumes, leading to close calls. In January 2023, at JFK Airport, a Delta jet aborted takeoff just in time to avoid colliding with an American Airlines plane crossing the runway. So, what can be done? Experts suggest better rest regulations for pilots, stricter maintenance checks, and improvements in air traffic management. Should airlines be held more accountable? Should we be worried about flying? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel-related content.